because of the Moss Arts Center, we were able to work with Makuyeika today, and we got to do all sorts of different games and exercises. I think one of the things that happened today is they led us through a kind of movement exploration, and I do that work in my teaching, but what's important in that work is creating this sense of like a sacred space, a magic or a ritual space, and to have the students be willing to take a risk to do these exciting exercises. And one of the things that the Moss allows is these artists come in with their artistic practices, and the students are eager, and there's a sense of buy-in. There's excitement about these international artists coming in. And so it's really nice for me as an instructor to give those students an experience from a different voice, a different set of artists. I think that they're able to take more creative risks sometimes with those kinds of, with guest artists that they might not take in just my class. Because of the work that the Moss Arts Center does, I'm able to connect the skills that I'm teaching in my class to professional artists and international artists. So that's really exciting for me and exciting for the students, and they're able to see how the work we do in class translates out in the world.